Good
Okay,
afternoon,
good
sir.
afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Jalpa is there. It means Anuradha is also there.
Yes, স্যার আমি বলছিলাম যে একবার আমি ল্যাপটপ থেকে কানেক্ট করছি, এখন হবে?
हाँ, करो ताड़ाताड़ी करो
করছি।
अरे बाप किसका कोरोना हो गया सामने किसका खांसी हो रहा है
प्रतिभा
हाँ प्रतिभा इतना प्रतिभा है कि घर में बैठ के खांस रहा है and someone was saying they were having cold or something kusum na प्रतिभा you were saying प्रतिभा how are you now प्रतिभा feeling better okay so acha now while they are coming so who are there I think now what you have to do is not read this one but afterwards you'll have to do your own dialogue okay but like this once you see this screen afterwards I will stop the sharing so you have to do without seeing you don't have to by heart you can change the words I'm going to market do you want to buy a new dress see question should be in rising tone do you want to buy a new dress no I'm going to buy some fruit oh I too need to buy fruit can we go together sure I would love to go with you come on what fruit will you buy I would buy apples I love apples my favorite is mango I'm going to buy mangoes I would buy mangoes too for my mother and I want to buy some grapes for my sister so come let's go want to take a bus you can also say do you want to take a bus or want to take a bus I think it would be fun to walk you can also say I think I would like to walk or you can say okay let's take a bus that also you can say I would enjoy walking have you taken a bag yes I have here we go so now I will stop the sharing you will have to do without the same thing but not the same words you don't have to bother about words apple instead of apples it can be mangoes or it can be t-shirt or it can be mobile phone anything you can buy so you don't have to by heart the words but it should be going to market together so stop sharing now who is there any two persons 8 participants okay Biba and Jigisha come fast I'm saying in the alphabetical order again when Hindustan Petroleum has come that's Anuradha
Hey Jigitsa, how are you? It's a long time since we met.
okay come
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine. Where are you going?
I'm going to market.
To buy vegetables?
No, actually I want to buy some drawing kit.
Oh, I want to buy some. Let's go together.
Okay.
okay that's fine only the thing is
What
that
will you buy?
okay continue
What
Yeah.
will you buy?
I want
Yeah,
some pencils.
Oh, you love drawing? Do you love drawing?
I love sketching.
Oh, it's also my favorite.
So let's go. By what? Are you? We can go by walking or bus.
No, I would like walking.
Okay, it's nice weather. Let's walk together.
okay very good
Okay.
excellent only one thing was when you're asking the question you're not using the rising tone like what you were saying the first two lines what will you buy it should be in rising tone what will you buy similarly want to take a bus only the question should be in rising tone otherwise it was really wonderful it was perfect Biba particularly when you came first she couldn't even properly talk a sentence. Now she has really improved wonderfully. Okay, Pratibha and Jalpa. Pratibha and okay, do one thing. Pratibha and Kusum, you do, then they two can do together. Pratibha and Kusum, and then Jalpa, and they can do together. Yes.
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
Kusum. How are you? I am good. How are you? I am fine.
Yeah, say afterwards.
What
Say
are you
something.
doing?
Very good.
I'm going to market
Continue.
to
Don't
buy
give.
some apples.
Very good. Apples, plural. Next. Yeah, say something.
I also want to buy some fruits. Let's go together.
Very good.
Okay, it would be fine.
Okay. That's okay then.
Do you want to take bus or we can walk? This is fine to.
The weather is fine. The weather is fine.
The weather is fine.
So let's walk.
So let's go.
Okay, it was okay. Only the thing is you are giving too much gap. Otherwise, it's okay. It's not brisk means after one person finishes, the other person is taking too long. Otherwise, it's really good. And one thing, don't say I am good. Either say I am well or I am fine. I am good means something different. I am good means like character is good. I am a very good person. I am honest. I don't tell lies. I help others. That's a question of I am good. So when you are talking about
Okay.
health, don't say I am good. Say you can say I am in good health or just say I am fine or I am well. Okay. That's right. Now,
Okay,
next is, now, yeah, the 2 HP can do together. Anuradha, and with your sister.
How are you? Hello, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
What are you doing now?
Now I am doing English class.
Yeah, it's okay. Continue.
I also want to join.
Okay.
Very good.
Could I?
The answer? Could I?
Yes, yes, obvious.
What are the process?
What is the process? Not what are, what is the process?
What is the process to join the class?
First you open the Zoom and log in the ID and password. Then you can start your English class.
How is the class going on?
Class is very fine. So many things I learned from this class.
Okay.
How is the teacher?
Teacher is very good and polite.
How many students are doing with you?
Something 7 or 8.
Do you like the class?
Yes, I like too much.
Then I also want to join your class. Are you eager to join?
Yes, okay.
Do you have any charges for this class?
No, this is a free class.
It is certified class.
Yes, it is certified.
Okay.
Okay, it's very good. Now, only the thing is, you one or two things. One is that login with, not login, login with your password. You said login your meeting ID, login with your meeting ID and password. And second thing was something, yeah, you said children's, no? How many children? It's not children's, it is how many children? How many children or how many participants or how many students or how many learners, something like that. So you can say how many learners because we are not having actual children. And rather, are you a child?
No, sir.
So we take Kusum, Pratibha, they are children. Okay, that's okay. Kusum, Pratibha, they are children. Jigisha is a child, but Munia is a child. Actually, they are in class 9 and 10. Okay, so just say how many learners or how many students or how many participants. And even if you say children, it is not children's. No S. Because children is already plural, na? Child, children. That's
How
one thing.
many participants?
How many participants, how many, and even if there are children, you say children without S, not children's, children, no S. That is one thing, and log in with your ID. And one more thing I wanted to say, I forgot. Anyhow, that's a minor thing, but it was really very, very good. Completely unique, excellent. Now, after that, I can, Kusum and Pratibha have finished. Now, Sayan and Munia. Sayan and Munia, you can do that or you can do anything else. Sayan, Munia, going somewhere together. It may be to markets or it may be to a cinema hall or it may be to a temple. Anywhere you are going together.
How are you?
Hi, Sam. I'm fine. And how are you?
I also fine. Would you like to go market?
No.
I will go to market and
What do
purchase some vegetables and fruits.
When you go to market?
After 10 minutes.
When are you going? After 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
You need any vegetable or fruit? I also bring for you.
Very good.
No. And which vegetable do you like most?
Very good.
Sorry?
Yeah, repeat the question. Mania, repeat the question.
Okay, sir. Which vegetable do you like most?
I most like carrots, potatoes, and many vegetables. All vegetables I like.
Okay.
Oh.
And then, what is your favorite vegetable?
Please repeat the question.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is also carrot, beans, cauliflower, etc.
Okay. So I will go to market. So bye. Okay, sir. I complete my.
Okay. Yeah, you want to say something, Mania? You're saying something?
I beg his pardon.
Okay.
I don't understand what to
I
say.
beg, I beg your pardon, man. Sayan will repeat what he said, the last line. I beg your pardon, means she could not understand. She wants you to repeat the last line, what you said.
I just going to market, so buy.
He's going to
Okay,
market
bye.
to buy. Okay. He's going to market, buy. Okay. Now, two things. Otherwise, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. One thing is, I am going market. Now, I am going to market. Then that's okay. And then, Munia, particularly for you, because you are an advanced student. Sayan is a new student. When you say no, he asked you, whether you want to buy any vegetables or not, or should he bring something for you. You say no. Always say a no, thank you. If someone is trying to help you, always say no, thank you. And if you have done something wrong, then say no, sorry. Either no, sorry or no, thank you. Don't say no. No should be followed by something. No, thank you. Or no,
Okay,
sorry.
I tried it.
Okay. No, I'm just saying. No, thank you. Or you say no. I think I have all. I think I have all the vegetables. Or you can say no. I think I'll go in the evening. Something you said. Don't say one word no. And then he was a new student. He said, and then he said, Sayan said, I am going market. I am going to market. Okay, that's okay. I like these things most. Okay. I like most. I like cauliflower most. I like tomatoes most. Not like, I like most tomatoes. I like tomatoes most. Or it's just I like tomatoes very much. Okay. Now who is left? Shrenik. Shrenik is
Yes,
left,
sir.
but you don't have a partner. So we come back to the beginning. Biba.
Sir, can I do with him?
Yeah, sure. Okay, Shrenik, then you do with him. You do with Anuradha. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Shrenik, Anuradha. But he came late, I think. Okay, you just ask the questions, he will do it. He joined so late. Shrenik, I'm telling you,
नहीं सर,
don't join
लेट
late.
नहीं ज्वाइन किया, आज लेट नहीं ज्वाइन किया।
क्या लेट नहीं जाएगा? बाकी सबका पहले ज्वाइन हो गया, बाद में तुम आया।
आज मैंने फर्स्ट ज्वाइन किया था।
कहाँ देखा था तुम? जो स्क्रीन में दिखाया था, देखा?
हाँ, देखा है।
Okay, then continue. Then it's very good. Okay, continue.
Hello, Shrenik. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay.
What is going on in your area? What's going on in your area?
Yeah, say. What's going on in your area?
Some lockdown and red zone in my area.
Red
You are in which zone? You are in which zone?
You are in which zone or which
Yes,
area?
I am red zone in area.
Yeah. She's asking which area. She's asking which area, which zone, which area. Say I'm in Surat in Gujarat. Say that. Which area?
Yes, I am Surat. Surat in Gopipura area is a red zone
Okay,
area.
that's nice.
He is saying it is a red zone area and you are saying it is nice. He is saying it is a red zone area. I mean,
No, sir,
for corona.
actually, he said Surat in Gujarat. That's why I said that's good.
Okay. No. Good
Yes, sir.
coming now. Okay, say continue. Continue.
Okay. Who are there in your family?
My family is 5 members.
Yeah, my family has 5 members.
Mom.
Okay.
My family has 5 members.
Okay.
My mom and my dad, my wife and my children.
My wife and my children. How many children?
One child.
Then it is
One
child, not
baby
children.
girl.
If it is one, then it is child, not children.
One child.
One child. Okay, very good.
One child.
What do you do?
Yeah, what do you do?
I am doing watching TV.
I am watching TV. Don't say I am doing. I am watching TV.
I am watching TV and play games.
Playing games. Okay.
Playing games.
What is your profession?
What's your profession or occupation? Yeah.
I am a agent of Kotak Life Insurance.
Yeah, and one more thing, I sell kurtis. That also you say?
Yeah, sells kurtis is a side business.
Yeah. Sell kurtis.
Sir,
Now you ask some questions to me.
I asked the question.
Yes, please ask some questions to me.
Yeah, you can ask questions. Anuradha is your sister, na? Shrenik?
Yeah.
So you give kurtis free of cost. Don't take money. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, next.
Anuradha, I am going to a restaurant.
I'm going to a restaurant. Okay. I'm going to a restaurant. Would you like to come? Yeah. I'm going to a restaurant.
Would you like to come?
Yes, sure. Why not?
And I eating food, some food.
Yeah, I'll eat food or I will have lunch. Don't say eat. I will have lunch or I will something. You will have lunch. Okay.
What food will you have?
What food would you have?
Which food will you have?
What kind of food do you want to have? She's asking.
Okay, sir. What kind of food will you like to have?
Option of South Indian and Punjabi.
Punjabi and South Indian. That's the choice.
South Indian is my favorite.
Oh, South Indian is a favorite. Okay.
Which dishes you like South Indian?
Which South Indian dish you like? Which South Indian dish do you like most? Which South Indian dish do you like most?
Do you like most?
I like dosa, idli. What about you?
I like to rava dosa.
You like rava dosa.
Okay, sir, you come also.
Okay, I'm also coming. Hey, Anuradha, you know what is rava dosa? Anuradha?
Yes, sir. Suji dosa, sir.
Suji, yeah.
I know
Yeah, no, it's not that.
Actually, sir, day before, 2 days before, Shrenik's wife, my bhabhi, has prepared the rava dosa.
Okay. No, I'm not for that because rava, many people don't understand. Many people say suji, so the word rava, many people don't know it.
But यहाँ पे होटल में रवा डोसा ही लिखते हैं गुजराती में.
No, yeah, it is rava dosa, but in some people, even actually when I go to buy, even in ordinary that grocery, जो मुदी खाना में जाता है, sometimes they don't know rava. If you say suji, they will give. Sometimes they don't know rava. Okay, now Buddhadev has joined. Yeah, say.
Rava dosa made up suji?
Rava and suji are same thing. Rava and suji are same thing. So whether you make dosa or whether you make upma or whatever you make, rava and suji are same thing. Another name for suji is rava. Rava is not something different. It's not rava dosa. Rava and suji both are same thing. Now Buddhadev has joined. So I want him to. Who will talk with him? Buddhadev. Okay, Sayan, you are new. Buddhadev, you are joining late. Already you are new and you are joining late. What? Yes, sir. You are joining late. Okay. I know that. Buddhadev Bhattacharya was with the Chief Minister of West Bengal and he was always late. Now, okay. We have a lot of famous people here, no? Okay. So now, Sayan and Buddhadev, you can talk about. And Buddhadev did not see the thing. So, okay, because he is a new student, he may not be able to do it. I'll show him the dialogue which they were doing once you see, and then I'll. Okay. Now, Buddhadev, this is the dialogue they were doing. I mean, something like this, not exactly like this. They were doing different things. But because you are new, you may stick to it. You and Sayan do it. First, you see the screen and do it. You and Sayan do it. See the screen and do it. Then you can do without seeing. Because both of you are new. Okay, come. Start. Anyone.
So, hi.
Okay, say.
Hi.
Start.
Okay, hi. Okay, hi.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am fine too. And it is a real. I am delighted to meet you.
Very good. I'm
I'm
delighted to
also.
meet you. I'm
And what
also
are you
happy.
doing now?
So now I am, if you ask me what I am do for my living, so that is I am a student, but now I am, attending this class.
Now I'm attending the class. Okay.
So,
Now,
thank you. So what you do?
Please repeat again.
What you do
what do you do?
for your living?
You, what do you do? Like he's a student, what do you do?
I'm,
For your living, I am asking
Yeah,
about
say
your
that.
profession.
oh, I'm talking with you.
What do you do means what? Are you a student? You are working. You are a accountant. You are an engineer. You are an archaeologist. What do you do? Yeah, say.
I'm student.
I am a student. I am a student.
In which class do you?
In
you
which class?
study?
Yeah. In which class do you study? Okay. In which class do you study? In which class do you study?
I am studying in class 10.
I'm in class 10.
Okay, you are studying class 10. Okay, yeah, this year is really precious for you, and yeah, I don't think it is best of luck for your future. I think you should concentrate on your study,
The word
and
is
it will help
precious.
for your
Okay.
future.
The word is precious, not precious. Precious. Precious or valuable. Okay. Precious for you. Okay.
Okay.
Then next.
Okay.
You have finished?
Yes.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir. I have.
I told you.
Can I ask any other question?
No. What I told you was, because you are new, I told you do this one with cyan. That's what I said. You didn't understand. This one, you and cyan do this one. Then like this, you will do another dialogue without C. Do this one exactly what it is here on the screen. You can see the screen. See exactly what you can see on the screen. Then afterwards, you can do a similar dialogue without C. Okay, cyan and you. That's what I said.
Okay. How are you, my friend?
Come.
How are you, my friend?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am doing fine. I am going to market.
Do you want to buy a new dress?
Very
No,
good.
I am going to buy some fruit.
Oh, I too need to buy fruit. Can we go together?
I too need to buy fruit. I too need to buy fruit. Can we go together? Can we go together?
Sure,
I
I would
too
have
need
to go
to
with
buy.
you.
Okay, say.
Come on. What fruit will you buy?
What fruit will you buy?
I would buy apples, and I love apples.
I would buy apples. I love apples. Love to Jorda because that is the emotional part. I love apples. Okay.
My favorite is mango. I am going to buy mangoes.
Mango,
I am-
mango. Don't say mango, mango. Mango. Mango.
Mango.
I would buy mangoes too for my mother.
And I want to buy some grapes for my sister.
Okay.
So come, let's go. Want to take a bus?
Want to take a bus? Question. Okay. Want to take a bus?
I think it would be fun to walk.
I would enjoy walking. Have you taken a bag?
Have you taken? Have you taken a
Yes,
bag?
I have.
So here we go. Okay.
Yes.
Now.
So here we go.
Yeah. Okay. Now I will stop the sharing. Now similar dialogue. Now you do without C. You don't have to buy apples and mangoes. You can also buy anything else. Or
Okay.
you can buy mobile phone or dresses or kurtis. If you want to buy kurtis, meet
How are
Srini.
you?
Yeah, come, Buddhadev.
Okay.
Hello,
So,
Buddhadev. How are you?
hello. I am fine. Thank you. What about you?
I also fine. So I will go to market for buying some fruits and vegetables. Would you like to go?
Yes, I can say I would like to go with you, and I am going to buy some fruit like apples, bananas.
I also going to buy fruit. Buy fruit.
I'm also
So
going to
what
buy
type
fruit.
of fruit?
What is
Okay.
what
Yeah,
is
yeah.
your
Type of
favorite
fruit
fruit?
He's asking what's your favorite fruit.
Okay. What is your
Hello,
favorite?
can you hear?
What is your favorite fruit?
Okay, my favorite fruit is banana, apple.
Bananas, apples.
So
in
what
plural.
is your favorite fruit?
In plural. Bananas, apples.
Apples.
Okay. Bananas, apples. And what is your favorite fruit? Yeah.
I like mangoes, chicus, bananas, etc.
Okay.
So this time of situation, the lockdown situation, we could not get more fruits. So
We could not
I
get
have
most of the fruits. Okay. We could not get most of the fruit.
fruits.
Okay.
That's true, and it is expensive too.
Yes, it is expensive. I agree.
Expensive.
Very much
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah, very much expensive, but it is very necessary for our health. So my mother is ill, so I think I have to buy some fruit for her.
And Musambi is also for good for our health.
Mosambi is a-
Musambi, pineapple,
Yes.
and
Yes, it enrich of vitamin C. You can get lot of vitamin from from it.
okay, let's go.
Okay, that's good. So, okay, all of you had, and go on practicing this one. And we got just 7 minutes. Okay, then any of you want to say something, just one line each about the class or anything else? I want one by one, you just one line at least. Come.
Sir, I'm really enjoying the class. Sir, this
What
is
you are
good to
saying?
hear.
What you are saying?
Sir, I'm really enjoying this.
Very good. You are enjoying,
This
but get your accent and tone right. When we say something, you are not there. When we say that, you try to listen. No, don't listen to the words. Words you can change. Instead of apples, you can put mangoes. Instead of mangoes, you can put pineapples. Listen to the tone and the accent. Okay, next.
Okay.
Anyone else? Anyone
Sir, I'm
else?
feeling joy.
You are feeling joy. You are enjoying the class. Okay. But only you are enjoying, or you are learning something?
I'm learning many things, many important things.
Many important things. Very good. Now next.
Sir, I like this class, but my fluency is not like them.
It would be okay.
So
But they are
I,
doing, it's okay, because they are doing for many days. You have joined just for 2 days. It's okay. Then next, you have joined only for 2 days. I'll send you the PDF file. Go on practicing in front of mirror. I did not send you the PDF file because yesterday we had many classes. Today I will send. Okay, next.
Sir, I also joined the class, and I can learn from the class very new things.
Do you think you have improved it? Are you better than before? Mania?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, yeah, others?
Sir, this is the really importance education for our every business purpose.
Exactly. He thinks of business only. Okay. Anuradha, he thinks of only business, nothing else. Every time he has got Kotak and Kurti and nothing else. Both are K. K for
Sir, we are
Kurti, K for
Gujarati,
Kotak.
only business.
Gujarat is only
sir.
business. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you are not doing any business, Anuradha?
No, sir, I am doing job as
You are
a
doing a
HR.
job actually. You are not
So
doing
I
any.
am doing a jewelry business. Jalpa
Well,
is doing, sir.
Jalpa is doing jewelry business.
Yes, sir. From home.
Yeah, I know from home, but it is real gold or
No,
imitation jewelry?
American diamond, sir.
American diamond. Only, okay, sell everything except Chinese. Okay, don't say Chinese things. American is okay. Then who
Business
else
only
is there?
Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Friday, we don't have on Saturday. Saturday we have for competitive exam. Those who are giving competitive exam, for them we have the English and reasoning and on Saturday and Sunday at 12. You can join if you want. At 12 it will be there. Same meeting ID, same. That is mainly for competitive exam students. Those who are appearing for like Union Public Service Commission or other exam. For them we have got one English and one reasoning class. Later we will have mathematics class. That is for them actually. But if you are interested, you can join. But that is not the. It is only Monday to Friday. Okay, it's Monday to Friday. So because actually,
Our business.
what happened to your
Our
business? Yeah, what happened to your business?
Weekly, Monday to Saturday and Sunday full tea enjoyment.
Okay, you have got. Now, if you are free, you can join. Saturday at 12 and Sunday at 12. That is for the people who are preparing for their competitive exam, like SSC, teacher selection test, Union Public Service, banking exams. So it mainly for them, but anyone who is interested, they can join. Even if you are doing a job, if you think that you want to learn, that you can join. There's no bars, but that's mainly meant for them. From that question paper, we do all the banking question paper, Union Public Service Commission, TET, teachers selection, SSC. So from there, we do the questions. Okay. So thank you all of you for joining.
Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sir.
We got. Yeah. Say something. 3 minutes left. Fast.
Sir, today me and Pratibha can't join class. We have to attend a seminar.
Today you are
Tomorrow.
already joined.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Sorry,
Tomorrow.
sir.
Okay. Tomorrow you will not be able to attend. So what did you say? Tomorrow, Pratibha and Kusum. Is it?
Pratibha and Pratibha.
Bibha and Pratibha. They will not be able to join. They have to attend. What do you have to attend?
Webinar.
Okay.
Lecture online.
I understand. You can attend. And Kusum will be joining, of course. Kusum is not going anywhere?
Yes. No.
What kind of seminar is only meant for 2 persons? Okay.
It's related to Mahabharat.
Mahabharat?
Yes.
What? You are going to create a Mahabharat in your house. Somebody was already saying that you are fighting and quarreling. So you will start with Mahabharat. Okay. So tomorrow we'll join at 3:30. And like this, I really, except Buddhadev was a few minutes late. Otherwise, you all join right time. I like this when you join full time. See, we have got enough time. Otherwise, if we join late, then we can't even complete one class. We have completed and still we have so much time. So still we are having 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Why? Because you joined on time. Okay? All of you, thank you. So what will you say? I taught you the thing.
Okay, sir, thank you.
No, what I taught you that word. See you again tomorrow, 3:30.
Yes, sir.
Or let's
See you
meet
again
again.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.